Looking to buy a drone without spending a fortune? You're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the 5 best budget drones that offer impressive camera quality, stable flight performance, and great features all at an affordable price. Whether you're a beginner, a travel enthusiast, or simply want to capture stunning aerial shots, there's a drone on this list for you. Stay tuned until the end, because the best value pick might surprise you. If you want to check the latest prices and get more details about these drones, be sure to visit the links in the description box below. So, without any further delay, let's get started. Number 5. Sjrc F11 Pro Budget Drone. Soaring high above the ordinary, this compact yet powerful drone captures the excitement of flight with breathtaking precision. The Sjrc F11 Pro series is designed for those who crave adventure and demand professional-grade performance without spending a fortune. Its foldable design makes it incredibly portable, while the sturdy gray fuselage gives it a sleek, modern look. The 4K camera, supported by a 2-axis electronic stabilization gimbal and EIS technology, ensures that every shot is smooth, steady, and full of stunning detail. Whether you're filming mountain landscapes or city skylines, it turns ordinary footage into cinematic brilliance. The control experience is equally thrilling. With a remote control distance of up to 3,000 meters on the F11S 4K and 1,500 meters on the F11 4K, you can explore wide open skies with confidence. The 5G FPV transmission delivers crisp, real-time HD video straight to your mobile device, extending your creative reach to 3,000 meters without losing quality. Both models feature GPS and GLONASS dual-mode positioning, offering precise flight stability, easy return-to-home functions, and intelligent tracking that keeps your subject in focus wherever they move. Powered by an 11.1-volt 2500 mAh battery, it grants around 26 to 28 minutes of continuous flight time, giving you plenty of opportunity to capture your perfect shots before returning for a recharge. Charging through a Type-C or Android port, depending on the version, keeps it convenient for modern users. The brushless motors provide smooth propulsion, high durability, and whisper-quiet performance, making the drone perfect for filming wildlife or serene landscapes. Every maneuver feels precise and responsive thanks to features like altitude hold, waypoint flight, surround flight, and intelligent follow. Its creative tools expand your storytelling possibilities. Gesture control allows you to snap photos or record video effortlessly, while built-in MV functions let you edit with filters, background music, and special effects right from your mobile device. The drone also supports multiple formats for speed display, including mph, meters per second, and kilometers per hour, letting you tailor the interface to your preference. From beginners to seasoned flyers, the F11 Pro series offers an exciting mix of ease, stability, and innovation that inspires confidence and curiosity with every takeoff. Number 4. Sjrc F15 Budget Drone. From the very first flight, it feels like stepping into a world of smooth control, cinematic motion, and boundless exploration. The 4K HD camera mounted on a true 3-axis gimbal captures every detail with astonishing clarity, producing silky smooth footage even in windy conditions. Each frame feels alive, vibrant, and ready for storytelling. Whether you're filming wide landscapes or dynamic cityscapes, the F15 delivers professional visuals that rival far pricier models. One of its most thrilling features is the GPS Smart Follow and Image Follow mode, which allows the drone to track your movements intelligently. You can jog through a park, cycle along a scenic trail, or hike up a hill, and the F15 keeps you perfectly framed the entire time. The built-in 5G transmission ensures real-time image transfer with almost no delay, so what you see on your remote screen is crisp, immediate, and reliable. The remote itself is another highlight, featuring a built-in touchscreen that offers seamless control without needing a separate mobile device. It's intuitive, modern, and designed for convenience, making flight control feel futuristic and effortless. The drone's brushless motors provide quiet yet powerful thrust, improving stability and efficiency during long-distance flights. Capable of reaching up to 20 kilometers under ideal conditions, the F-15 opens the sky for vast exploration and limitless creativity. Its 30-minute flight time, powered by a high-capacity modular battery, ensures you have enough airtime to capture breathtaking scenes before needing a recharge. Swapping batteries is quick and simple, so you can extend your adventures without waiting. Despite its professional features, the Ford Sjrc F15 is compact and portable. Its foldable arms tuck neatly into a small carrying case, making it ideal for travel and outdoor excursions. The drone feels robust yet lightweight, giving pilots the freedom to take it anywhere. Every takeoff feels like a moment of possibility, a chance to see the world from a new perspective. The fusion of power, precision, and design makes this drone a standout choice for anyone eager to capture the sky in stunning 4K detail. Number 3. Emax Tinyhawk II+ Budget Drone. Every second in the air feels electric with this compact yet powerful racing drone, engineered for speed, precision, and reliability. Crafted by a team obsessed with improvement and innovation, it's not just an upgrade, it's a complete redefinition of what a micro-drone can do. The frame is built with remarkable rigidity, eliminating the weak points found in earlier versions. Its reinforced body ensures that even during intense crashes or high-speed collisions, the internal components stay well protected. You can push your limits on every race circuit, knowing this drone can take a beating and keep flying with unwavering performance. Performance is where this machine truly shines. With increased transmission power, it effortlessly cuts through interference and obstacles, providing a smooth, uninterrupted connection in even the most challenging environments. Whether darting through indoor tracks or open outdoor spaces, the flight remains stable and precise. Its finely tuned analog system offers a consistent signal, while the HD0 variant revolutionizes visual clarity, delivering sharp, high-definition video transmission that immerses you in the action like never before. Every turn, every flip, every acceleration looks crisp and fluid, letting pilots experience flight with astonishing detail and responsiveness. The accompanying Transporter 2 HD FPV goggle expands the experience even further. Its detachable screen can be paired with the cutting-edge E8 transmitter, allowing for a fully customizable flying setup that feels both personal and professional. The goggle's built-in DVR lets you record your FPV footage in stunning HD, making it easy to analyze performance, relive exciting races, or share your favorite flight moments. Combined with the E8 transmitter's superior gimbals and precise control feel, it's an unbeatable pairing for both beginners and serious racers. The Express LRS system at its core ensures ultra-low latency and rock-solid signal reliability, giving pilots lightning-fast command response with every maneuver. Compact yet fiercely capable, this drone captures the essence of competitive racing. It balances agility and endurance while offering an exhilarating flying experience that feels instinctive and rewarding. Every element from its reinforced design to its HD vision and elite control has been crafted to elevate the art of flight. It's more than a drone, it's a statement of progress, precision, and pure adrenaline. Number 2. Holystone HS720E Budget Drone. Graceful in the air and refined in design, this drone captures the essence of modern aerial innovation with remarkable finesse. Every flight feels effortless, every image breathtakingly clear. Its advanced 4K camera with electric image stabilization and a Sony sensor delivers crisp, cinematic footage that elevates your photography to professional levels. Whether soaring over mountains, tracking waves along the coast, or gliding through city skylines, the visuals remain smooth, vibrant, and free of distortion. This is where creativity meets technology. Every frame feels deliberate and perfectly balanced. Flying it feels natural, even for beginners. With integrated GPS and an intelligent optical flow system, it maintains remarkable stability in the air, adapting effortlessly to environmental changes. The auto return to home function provides peace of mind during long-distance flights, automatically bringing the drone safely back to its launch point when the signal weakens or the battery runs low. Its flight path features, including Follow Me, Tap Fly, and Point of Interest, add intuitive control and creative freedom, letting you focus entirely on the shot while the drone handles navigation with precision. Equipped with powerful brushless motors, it flies with whisper-quiet grace while maintaining impressive thrust and stability. The result is smooth, vibration-free motion and minimal wear on components, ensuring longevity and reliability. Every movement feels fluid, whether you're ascending into open skies or hovering low for close-up detail. With the included Fly More kit, you get 2 intelligent batteries that together provide up to 46 minutes of total flight time, keeping you airborne longer and exploring farther without constant interruptions. Portability and practicality are at the heart of its design. The compact frame and included carrying bag make it easy to transport and store, perfect for travel or spontaneous outdoor adventures. Compliance with FAA regulations through its remote ID module ensures responsible flying without limits. The Holy Stone design philosophy shines through user-friendly, elegant, and deeply capable. It's a drone that turns every flight into an experience and every moment into a masterpiece, blending performance, safety, and creativity in perfect harmony. Number 1 and the winner is Potensic Atom 2 Budget Drone. Small enough to fit in your hand yet powerful enough to capture the vastness of the world, this drone embodies precision, portability, and creative freedom. Weighing under 249 grams, it defies expectations by delivering performance that feels professional while remaining effortlessly travel-friendly. The lightweight design not only makes it easy to carry anywhere but also allows for longer, more stable flights, giving creators the chance to explore the sky without limitations. Every liftoff feels smooth and confident, a perfect balance of agility and control that makes flying both thrilling and intuitive. The 4K HDR video capability paired with 8K photo resolution transforms each flight into a cinematic experience. Colors pop with richness, highlights stay balanced, and details remain razor-sharp even in challenging lighting conditions. With the addition of vertical shooting, you can capture content tailored perfectly for modern storytelling, ideal for social media creators who crave versatility without sacrificing quality. The 3-axis mechanical gimbal ensures your footage stays silky smooth, counteracting movement and wind for professional-grade stability in every shot. Intelligent flight modes bring creativity to your fingertips. Through the app's AI track feature, the drone locks onto subjects with astonishing accuracy, keeping them centered as you move. The AI night shot mode enhances low light performance, capturing vibrant nighttime scenes filled with detail and atmosphere. Every frame feels deliberate and full of life, whether illuminated by daylight or city lights after dark. Its 10-kilometer transmission range gives you the freedom to explore and film far-reaching landscapes, transmitting crisp, lag-free footage in real time. Every element of its design serves the purpose of effortless storytelling. The streamlined control system, combined with precise stabilization and intelligent automation, allows you to focus on creativity rather than technical adjustments. It's perfect for adventurers, travelers, and aspiring filmmakers who want a blend of ease, innovation, and power in a featherlight frame. This drone doesn't just fly, it transforms your perspective, turning the sky into a canvas for imagination. And that's our roundup of the 5 best budget drones. Each one offers the perfect balance of performance, stability, and price, proving that epic aerial photography doesn't have to cost a fortune. Which drone would you pick for your next flight? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome tech reviews and gadget guides. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep flying high.